Welcome to another episode of Habanero Addict. My name is Brian and these are my sons Shane, Riley, and Casey. And today we're going to test out Dave's ghost pepper sauce. We have had this in the fridge for a while. It's not a fresh bottle, but it's still good. So let's give it a shot. The kids have never tried this before.
Nope.
Smell test first. Whoa! Take your socks off. Shane, smell test.
Oh.
Keep it exciting, Shane.
It smells like that sweet and sour soup at Chinese restaurant.
It does, doesn't it? Except a little.
Sweet and sour soup. Okay,
Except
pass it
a little
along.
hotter.
Yeah, except a
Very
little
dry
hotter.
scent. Not very dry.
It smells less vinegary than most hot sauces,
No
though.
more sinuses. Whoa, that's way too much.
There's something.
All right, who's gonna go first? You wanna give it a dab?
Oh, I'll give it a dab.
I'm sure you will. All right, you gave it a dab. Are you gonna try it or not? If you're not, then pass it along.
We're saving that.
That's our fire extinguisher.
You know, I'll go first.
Okay, Shane's not gonna
Still
try.
milk. Still milk.
Okay, pass it along.
I'll go
That's
first.
way too much. Just telling you right now. Just take a small bit on your tongue.
He immediately regrets it.
You're off camera. You're off camera. We can't see your natural reaction.
Cry face.
You gonna try it?
Yeah,
No, it's your turn.
Just
Just a small dab on your tongue.
no, that's the chip, dude. So you just bit the chip, not the sauce. Oh no, he bit the sauce.
Just a small dab.
I can't wait. Pass it along.
Just save some for us.
Shane's like,
But
you have to set your mouth on fire.
Oh, going back for seconds here. Second dabs.
That's better.
Casey, it's hot. We
Hot
don't
for
know.
you? Oh, he's burned. He's
I'm
burning.
just coughing.
Oh, okay.
A little bit is not that bad.
Okay.
A little bit is like.
Alright, for Dad. Dad's special challenge. He gets to eat that whole part.
I'll take the eating chip. Got some on the back of it already? Mmm.
You get to eat the whole chip.
Ooh, that's sour too.
I told you it's like the sweet and sour soup at Chinese restaurant.
I remember this something a lot hotter.
Maybe because
I remember
there's
something a lot
Maybe
hotter.
because it's from the fridge.
I wonder why.
Oh, there it is. The back of the throat. That's where it gets it. Not on the tongue.
Yeah, the back.
Going for seconds, eh?
Alright. So the kids can barely handle this. But they gave it a good shot.
Okay. No.
Again, Dave's ghost pepper sauce.
Look at first.
Definitely recommend using it on barbecues, that sort of thing. It's good for a marinade if you want to just add a little drop to your meat marinade. Tastes really good. And
Okay.
other than that, that's Habanero
Watch this
Addict
first.
out.
Watch
Thanks
this
for watching.
first.
And
Watch this.
if you want us to try out a certain
Hey,
sauce,
watch this
definitely let us
first.
know below. Click like and
Dad.
subscribe.
Hey.
Oh, and here we go. Watch
Shane.
out. Oh, tongue test. Milk. He's shaking.
Say some for me. I'm gonna do it too.
Backup supplies.
I regret this.
You're gonna do that too? There's no
Yeah.
milk.
I know. That's why I regret this.
Local.
Well,
Are you good now?
no.
Drink
It's my stomach's full.
Here, have a chip. Cool it down. Swallow the chip. Don't just spill it out everywhere. Let's see if you actually licked it. You actually licked it.
Twice.
Twice. Oh no.
No.
He actually licked it off there. Yeah, he's going for it. Not a good idea. His eyes are watering.
You better watch those holes by it hurts.
It really gets you in the back of the throat.
I am.
Alright, Tony.
Just like.
And we're crying now.
feel like-
And he's hallucinating.
Oh, peppers.
All right.
Freak.
Well, some people have seen some very, very wicked ghosts. And this
All
is
right.
the end of the video. And I hope you watched this episode of Habanero Edit. And please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.